Hello, it's Jay here again and welcome to another tutorial. So in this video we're just going to get some more variables in place that we're going to need before we can continue on and fill out the rest of the script. And I'm just going to put mine here below our return stats. So let's come here and we're going to say, we'll make them public for now, int, and we're going to say underscore, and let's give it a naming convention of batteries in inventory. And we'll close the line off, we'll just put in the comments number of batteries currently in the inventory. And I'm sure you've all guessed what we're going to do next. We're going to paste in 4 times, and we're just going to swap out the naming convention. So the next one will be health packs, and as always we'll go along and we'll tidy up the comments and alter them as necessary as we go. And for the next one we're going to say food packages, and we'll change it here as well. The next one is going to be water bottles. And finally, for the energy bars. And let's change the comment out here as well. So, with that in place, let's copy all 5. So the whole block, and let's paste it in below. And we're going to change it slightly here. We're going to, rather than saying batteries, we're going to say battery boosts in inventory. And we'll just change out the comment battery boosts. And we'll just keep going. So we'll change that from packs to boosts. And we'll just keep going. We'll change that to hunger boosts. And the next one for hydration. And finally for the stamina. And let's change out the comment here. So now we have those in place. And in fact, let's come here. I'm going to come just before the void start. And we'll say void awake. Open and close brackets will open and close. And let's just assign values to them. So let's have a look. Batteries in inventory is going to be equal to 0. Let's close that line off. Into the comments. Batteries in inventory is equal to 0 on awake. I'll just change that to a capital. Let's just copy that again. We'll paste it in 4 times. And let's just copy the naming convention from here. Let's save ourselves a little bit of typing. So there's food packages, water bottles, and finally for the energy bars. And again, we'll just tidy up and alter the comments as necessary. Health packs, food packages, water bottles, energy bars, and again, let's just copy all 5. We'll paste that in as well. And this time we'll copy and paste in the boost naming convention. So there's for health. And we just need to keep going for hunger, hydration, and finally for the stamina. Again, let's go through and change the comments as necessary. So battery boosts, we'll change pack to boosts there. We'll change food packages to hunger boosts. And we'll do the same for water bottles and for the energy bars. So we'll finally change that one to stamina boosts. Save that there for the moment. So obviously these define what we've got in our inventory, and they're all set to 0 when the game actually initializes on awake. So with that said, let's come back below here, back to our variables, and again we can say public int battery power amount, and I'm going to put the values in here. So we'll say equals, and we don't need the F, we'll just close the line off. So this is how much these 5 here are going to replenish our stats. So I'm going to set all of mine at 25%. Obviously you can set this value to whatever you like, but I'm going to set mine all to 25% just for the purposes of testing. So we'll say defines battery power replenish amount. And again, I'm sure you've all guessed, we're just going to paste in 4 times, and then we'll just go through and alter the naming convention. So we'll say health, heal, and again here, and yeah, in fact let's just call this replenish as well. So hunger replenish amount. We'll change the comments as well, and 2 more to do for hydration, and again we'll use the wording of replenish. And we'll change that to hydration there. And finally for the stamina, and we'll say in fact I've put it in twice on those. Just quickly tidy up those comments and we'll save that off there. So we just need to do, finally, the next 5 for our boost amount. So, battery boost amount. Again, I'm going to give mine a value of 25 for 25%. Defines value to boost stats. Yeah, I'll say beyond max. And again, let's just copy the line. We'll paste it in 4 times. And we'll just change out the naming conventions. So health, hunger, hydration, and stamina. And let's have a look at the comments. We could put in battery stat. Yeah, I'm going to put that in. Let's just change that there. We'll get rid of the plural. We'll put health, hunger, hydration, and finally for the stamina. And let's save that off there. Now, I think we'll leave it here for this lesson. That's the variables we're going to need for the coming videos. And in the next lesson, obviously, we'll continue on fleshing out the script. And I know, again, not the most exciting of lessons, but we needed to get these in place before we can continue. So it's just one of those jobs that needed doing. But anyway, I still hope you enjoyed this video. I hope to see you next time. And until then, as always, bye for now.